guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anna. Today I am I just hit my elbow. Today I'm going to be setting back up the baby's car seat because it was dirty and messy, so I had to take it out of the car and take out the material and get it washed, and I'll show you guys how I do it. But I'm going to clean the straps as well. I haven't done that as yet. So currently my baby is sitting in my lap, wiggling. Oh. So that's what I'm going to be doing for today's video. Setting up the car seat, getting it ready to go back into the car, and yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and hit the post notification button so you know whenever I post. And let's get on with this video because I have this fussy baby, well, not fussy, I have this wiggly baby on my lap tearing down my shirt, so I need to go film this before. Yeah. Okay, so this is all that I gotta fix up. Trust me, it was a real headache trying to pull it down. I'm just hoping I remember how to put it back. How it looks. This is all the straps that need to go back in. Oh, wait on. I'll put this. So guys, I might have to take a break and see if this baby needs feeding and a nap, and I'll be back with you. See this little thing right here? This little button. I'm going to press it inside here. and then pull it all the way up till it snaps. I have a few more. I'm going to leave this part out so I can put the material back on it. So I've finished putting on the cover of the car seat. Now I'm going to try to get the straps back snug and tight so I could put baby back inside. And baby is running this way. Anyway, by the pink, I mean, not assuming my baby's gender, but I figure you might realize what it is. So face reveal, I guess, next video. Oh, my hand is tired. I'm tired and I'm hungry. So guys, guess what, I've done a pretty good job. But I forgot to put the cushion inside. But yeah, so I'm going to fix this in. I have these little shoulder puffs that came with it. Yeah, she was eating on it. I'm going to do that and then fix the strap, and I'm done with this video. That's the end of my video. Thank you for staying to the end. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.